Hello, my friends. Mason here from Wealthy and Well. I hope you're all doing well and finding balance in your lives. Today, we're going to delve into a book that has been a cornerstone in my financial journey, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book, my friends, is not just about accumulating wealth, but it's about understanding the principles of money and how to make it work for you. Clason uses parables set in ancient Babylon to drive home the timeless truths about finance. It's not about the amount of money you earn, but how much you keep and how well you use it. One of the key lessons from the book is the concept of paying yourself first. Clason suggests setting aside at least 10% of your income for yourself. This is not for spending, but for saving and investing. It's a simple concept, but one that many of us overlook in our pursuit of wealth. But as we always discuss here on Wealthy and Well, wealth is not just about money. It's about well-being, about finding balance and contentment. And Clason touches on this too. He talks about the importance of wisdom, of understanding the value of money, and of using it wisely. He also emphasizes the importance of giving, of using your wealth to help others, to make a difference. This aligns perfectly with our philosophy here at Wealthy and Well. Wealth is not just for hoarding, but for sharing, for making a positive impact on the world. So, my friends, as you go about your financial journey, I encourage you to pick up The Richest Man in Babylon. It's not just a book about finance, but a guide to living a rich and fulfilling life. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on finance and well-being. Remember, my friends, wealth is not just about the accumulation of money. It's about finding balance, about living a life that aligns with your purpose and passions. So let's strive not just to be rich in wealth, but rich in life. Until next time, stay wealthy and well.